Alright, in this YouTube video I'll show you how I created this bench for my bonsai trees. The video that you're about to see is a shorter version of one of the lectures on the online courses of Bonsai Empire. This is the online course with Shinji Suzuki and Louis Vallejo. That is all about bonsai garden design and aesthetics, or the Japanese aesthetics. But part of bonsai garden design, of course, is getting nice displays for your trees, either on pedestals or on these sort of benches. So in this lecture we'll discuss how this table was built. We'll go through the steps of selecting the materials, preserving the wood, figuring out what the ideal height of the table is, etc. So in terms of the design of the bench, I went for a bench that is at a nice height, so that if I put my larger trees on this, it will be at the right height to view the trees on. What I also did is I added another level, so a lower level. I still need to fix these, I'll do that next. But the idea is that I can store my pots there, but also my accent plants. So the length of the table is 2.5 meters, which is about 8 feet in total. But I'll share the plants of the table with all the dimensions of the wood that we use to create this underneath the lecture. You can download it and apply it to your own designs. The next bench I'll make actually will be a bit longer, so it just depends on where you place it in your garden and how long you can make them. So let's begin with that first topic, selecting the materials. So the first thing obviously is the type of wood to use. So the wood I use is Douglas fir, which is not a hardwood, but it is a very strong wood, so something that will last for a long time, especially if you treat it with a wood stain. So that's what I did. I took a wood stain that is actually the palisander color. So I'll show you the original wood as well, you'll see it in the video. And you're looking now at the finished result. So the stain is already applied here. Actually it's 3 layers in total, especially the top beams, because I want to protect them well. The pots of the bonsai will scratch on this, etc. So it's important that this is especially strong. Alright, some things that you'll need are a drill driver, your drills and bit sets, glue that's good for outdoor use, and the screws. And the screws are something you should pay attention to. So the sizes I used was a 10 centimeters, which is about 4 inches, and 6 centimeters, which is about 2 to 3 inch long. But they need to be stainless steel or even have an anti-rust coating. So these have this coating. Other than that, I used a circular saw. You don't absolutely need it, but I would advise, because what this big saw does is that it makes a really straight angle cuts. And so especially for the frame, it just really helps for the stability of your table if all these cuts that you make are like exactly 90 degrees angles. And a sanding machine. That's it basically.